Alright, solved by factoring. X squared minus 18x equals 40. You got to get everything on one side, so I'm going to move this guy over here, and now I have x squared plus 18x minus 40. If you're solving by factoring and you have a 1 in the front, you do 1 times negative 40, which is negative 40. And now I need two numbers that multiply to negative 40 and add up to positive 18. I think that's going to be 20 and negative 2. Now I've got my factors, I just got to figure out what makes this 0. If I plugged in negative 20, that would be one of the x-intercepts, and the other one would be positive 2. So negative 20 and positive 2 are my zeros. Same kind of game here. I'm going to get everything on one side, so I'm going to add 6r squared, I'm going to subtract 19r, and then I still have a plus 8, so I get everything on the left side. But in this problem, it's not a 1 in the front, and there's no GCF, so I'm going to multiply 6 times 8. I need two numbers that multiply to 48 and add up to the middle, which is negative 19, because I'm going to split the middle. 6r squared is not going to change, 8's not going to change, but I'm going to split the middle up into those two numbers. Those two numbers are negative 16 and negative 3. That's plus 8. Once you've got four terms, you can do grouping. The GCF on this side would be 2r, and I'd have 3r minus 8. Here I'm going to bring out a negative 1, so I have 3r minus 8, and that still equals 0. And if you do it right, these should be the same. So 3r minus 8, and then what's left? 2r minus 1 equals 0. So if you plug in, let's see, if I set a little equation up, this equals 0, I would add 8, divide by 3. So that's 8 thirds. I would add 1, divide by 2, that's 1/2. So 8 thirds and 1/2 are my two zeros. The last one is a difference of squares. You should know that these are both perfect squares. There's no GCF. The square root of 9x squared is 3x. The square root of 64 is 8. And when you have a difference of squares, 3x minus 8, 3x plus 8. And when you do this, now if I had a little equation here, I would subtract 8 divided by 3, so that's negative 8 thirds, that's x. Or x equals positive 8 thirds. So negative 8 thirds, positive 8 thirds, you could even write that as plus or minus 8 thirds if you're feeling real fancy. And that's it for factoring.